Welcome to MHT Creator, where creativity knows no bounds. Unleash your imagination as we dive into a world of content, craft just for you. Subscribe, share, and join the creative journey. Discover 10 game-changing websites that supercharge productivity and save time. From collaboration tools to learning platforms, we've got your digital efficiency covered. Here are 10 more powerful websites that can enhance productivity and save time. 1. Notion, a versatile tool for note-taking, task management, and collaboration, providing an all-in-one workspace. 2. Rescue Time, track and analyze your digital habits to identify time-wasting activities and improve productivity. 3. Unsplash, access a vast collection of high-quality, royalty-free images for your creative projects without spending time on photography. 4. Audible, listen to audiobooks during commutes or downtime, enabling you to consume valuable content while multitasking. 5. Otter.ai, effortlessly transcribe voice conversations, meetings, and interviews, saving time on manual note-taking. 6. Google Workspace, a suite of cloud-based productivity tools like Google Docs, Sheets, and Drive for seamless collaboration and document management. 7. Khan Academy, learn new skills or reinforce existing knowledge through free educational content, saving time compared to traditional learning methods. 8. Calendly, simplify the scheduling of appointments and meetings, avoiding the back and forth emails to find a suitable time. 9. Cam Scanner, turn your smartphone into a portable scanner, saving time on document digitization and organization. 10. Hootsuite, manage multiple social media accounts from one platform, scheduling posts in advance and saving time on daily social media tasks. Thanks for watching.